All right, in this video we're going to be working on a Saab key fob. It came in for repair. Actually, it came in for a damaged button. Which button is it? Damaged lock button. And we do have the button here. A lot of advanced users, sometimes they ask for more difficult repairs. The channel is not about making easy or difficult repairs. It's about what we get in the shop here and how we deal with the repairs, whether the job is difficult or easy. I mean, I do not choose if that device is difficult to fix or easy to fix. And difficult and easy is really based on your experience. I work on whatever we get in the shop here, and I would rather have the easy stuff than having to spend 2-3 hours trying to figure out the problem with the device. So what I'm going to do is leave a bit of an extension to that wire in case I want to wrap it over the button pin. Because I think when we solder that button, we're not going to be able to see this area here. Okay, so we just created a nice little pad. Just like that. We can pre-apply solder onto this pad. And the reason I kept this extension is because we can also solder it on top of the pin here. Now look at that, just the right size. Just the right length. Now this button is not going to be very secure from this end because there's nothing that is securing the button from this side, but because it's secured from this side and the customer is only going to press down on it and it's going to be secured inside the case, that will not be a problem. Now honestly, I do not know if there was a component here that got knocked off because the customer did attempt to replace the button himself. And that's how he caused this damage. And let's see. Meter is reading 0 when I press the button. It's reading 432. Usually on Benz keys, or most of the keys, we get 315 reading. I do not know on the Saab vehicle if it's different. I'm reading 431 on the lock button, 430 on the unlock button. Okay, so this confirms that the fob is working. Right, so we're gonna test the customer's fob.
I wouldn't be surprised if it stops working.
Yeah. Right there.
Yeah.
Trunk.
I think it has to pair up. I just did the trunk.
The trunk, all right. And lock, unlock?
Yeah. I think
Awesome.
it has to pair up. Because I was driving with this one, and maybe it paired somehow with this.
To the other
and
fob.
it got off. And then when I started with this one, then it paired back.
Okay, so what happened is we changed the button on the fob. The customer
Let me close
tried the fob and it would not lock, unlock. So he had to put the fob in the ignition,
Yeah.
and then it paired up, and now lock and unlock Buttons are working. All right.
It's working. What?
All right.
You've seen everything, but now you've seen something else.
To be honest, we never worked on the Saab fobs before, but
Okay.
they should not be any different than, let's say, Benz
Yeah,
fobs.
No, I mean, it's not like different technology. It's the same, right? They copy Mercedes, everything.